Hi everybody, this is Tina from Happy Meal. This is what our yard looks like. Scott's finally able to try to snow blow our yard. He did 3. His dad's and 2 neighbors down by his dad's. And he never got to ours yesterday. And of course, we just got probably another 4 inches today. He's got his job cut out for him. We're up to 13 inches according to the news. And it ain't done yet. I don't know if you can see the big flakes. Okay. This is bad. He's got his job cut out. We got a long driveway. Poor boy. But just wanted to share. Talk to you later. Bye.